welcome back to a new vlog. Welcome if you're new. I am over here editing, well, I'm uploading this week's vlog. It'll be up already, so I'll link it up here. But I just thought I have not been recording as much as I should, and that's why I'm like left with hardly any clips, and I'm only posting one video a week when I was posting two, not three. I was posting 2 videos a week when I first started, and I don't want to slow down because I'm really not where I should be, or where I want to be, I should say. As far as my like YouTube subscribers and all that, I try not to think about that, but you know, I would like to get some more subscribers. But anyway, so if you're watching, please subscribe. So yeah, we're just editing. I'm uploading, not editing. And I'm over here watching Dim Tracker. I've spoken about him before. One of my favorite YouTubers, to be honest. I really want to go to the beach. Tomorrow's Friday, and I'm trying to think about what I'm going to do this weekend. And I've been obsessed with going to the beach. I went like 2 months. I went 2 times last month. And you would think because I live in Florida, I would go a lot more, but I don't. But I'm just like in a mood to just be in the sun and be in the beach and go swim in the ocean. I love swimming. It's one of my favorite things to do. I feel like if I had a pool in my backyard, I would be in there all the time. My community has a pool, but I don't know, it's different. When you live in Florida, you don't really go into pools and stuff. Only when you're like, I'm rambling. Just wanted to say hi, welcome to a new vlog, and I really want to go to the beach, so hopefully I go to the beach this weekend. And I have more content. And yeah. Hello. Happy Saturday. If you saw me wearing this last weekend, no you didn't. I'm using it as a bathing suit cover up today. We were planning on going to the beach, but it is very cloudy and ugly today. So I don't know if that's still happening. It says it's not going to rain, but it does say that it's going to be partly cloudy all day, and I don't want to be at the beach when it's all cloudy and stuff. So, I don't know. But I just thought I would say hi. And, yeah.
No water. Y'all understand that? Like, that shit is flat land. And everything's dry. It's dry land. No water.
This beach is so dirty.
The first day I got here, I came right to the beach and
it was not fun. Like I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted.
What time is it?
The beach is very dirty. I got in for like 2 seconds and then I was grossed out by all the seaweed. It looks brown. Very disappointed. Happy Sunday. I don't know if I like my outfit. And yes, I attached her to my purse even though I said I didn't want to. I don't know if I mentioned that actually. But she's so cute. I didn't want her to like get all messed up and dirty, but I wanted to add something to this purse. I don't know if I like it. It's too late to change now. Bye. Hello. We just ordered some KFC chicken and waffles because I really wanted to try it. And we're waiting for them to bring it to the car. We got it. Now let's try it and rate it once. Quick, who am I? Did you know? Did you get the reference? He gets no references. Boomer. What are you laughing at?
Just...
Now let's try it and rate it 1 through 10. That's what he says. Oh, I'm still recording. Okay, so we got the chicken and waffles. And then I haven't tried these. These are the potato
Puffers.
I don't know what she called them, but they're little balls of mashed potatoes.
Puffers.
She didn't say puffers.
Yeah, she did.
No, she didn't. Yeah, go ahead.
Look it up
Let's
right
put
now.
money on it.
You know I got so much to throw away. Why are you laughing?
Because I knew you were gonna make some kind of. All right, let's try the
Poppers.
tenders. See, you were wrong, so I would have been right, and I would have gotten
I
them.
was wrong by 3 letters. All aboard the gravy train.
This is syrup.
Oh, I like this shit. There goes that sponsorship.
Let's try the waffle. One of my favorite foods.
Basis of the food pyramid, if you will. Slaps.
I approve.
At least it's soft.
Very good. I mean, the tenders taste like just regular tenders.
But like you got them from a real place. They don't taste like they're air fried. Or could you make them?
That one's very chewy.
Rubbery?
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, this one's hot. Woo! That one's hot. I would give the chicken and waffles a 8 out of 10.
Wow.
I love waffles.
I was going
so
like 5 or 6.
the waffles are good, but the tenders are just like regular KFC. Fine. I'll give it a 6.
What would you just give the waffles? Straight up waffles. You just come in here, you're getting waffles.
The waffle is good. But I'm a waffle person. I love waffles. The waffle gets an 8.
What about the poppers?
These are good. These get a... Hold on, let me try another one. Seven.
So the weakest part of the meal was the chicken.
Yeah. Hello. I went to Ross and I didn't even show you guys, but I bought some more clothes that I shouldn't have bought. So, I bought this top and I thought it was going to match the skirt that I bought last weekend, but it didn't. But it's a cute little top for summer. It was $8.99. Is this a sticker? It's not a sticker. But it's so cute. I can wear it with the skirt. The only issue is that the design on the skirt is more close together and this is like more sporadic, but very cute. Nice summer top. Then, grabbing two things. Then I found this. This is really cute for Ross. And the price of this one is unknown. Did it just fall? I think it just fell. $12.99. I didn't even rip this off. Well, $12.99. It has that like open button thing that everyone is doing. I don't own a shirt like this. Then I might be going to Universal at the end of this month. Is this a sticker? No. But they had a lot of cute halter tops with like a lot of pop culture stuff. There was a Spider-Man one, and then there was a Lightning McQueen one. I wanted to get the Lightning McQueen, but I didn't get it because I saw this shirt and I really liked it. This one was, this halter top, $8.99. This t-shirt, $10.99. And I thought it was really cool. Oh, it has him in the front and the back. I really like this like acid wash design. And it feels really nice. Nice quality. So, got that. Then I got this for work. I like the cut of this tank top, and it's like that really nice stretchy material. What do you call this?
Spandex.
Spandex. Thank you. This is $7.99, but I figured I could wear it to work and with other cute outfits, just a cute basic. Oh my god, I bought a lot of shit. Then this is not really something I would go for, but I really liked the design. I don't know, I liked it. I thought it was cute for summer. This one, is this another one where the tag ripped off? What is going on? $7.99. But I thought, again, cute for summer. I like the little bow ties and the lace and like the juxtaposition. How do you say that word? I said it right. The like camo with or fatigue, whatever you say. Anyway, next I got another Lightning McQueen shirt. I couldn't pick from the two, but I really like the jersey style of this, so I had to get this one as well. I think I could have gone with a large for this. I don't know why I got it oversized, but this one was $12.99. Oh, has 95 on the back. And then, is 95 the first Pixar movie? Is that why he's 95?
Could be.
We're gonna Google that right now. Hey Siri, why is Lightning McQueen's number 95? Yep. When Pixar released its first feature-length film, Toy Story. I knew that. But I got this. This was the last shirt. So yeah, things I did not need to buy, but I'm addicted to clothes. At least it's not something else.
Drugs.
Goodbye. We're going to the movies. What movie are we watching?
Days End?
Until Dawn.
Yeah.
The Until Dawn movie. I used to love the video game, so I'm hoping that the movie is good.
On par.
Does it justice, because the video game was really good.
I never played it.
They had Hayden Panettiere And I believe it was Jordan Fisher was in it. It was good. I changed into something more comfortable, but I hate it, like always. I'm wearing the New York shirt though. That's cute. So yeah, you got anything to say, Spencer? Appropriate.
I want some Sour Patch Kids.
Spencer wants some Sour Patch Kids. I don't want candy because I had that peach stuff. But then I'm not really hungry for anything. And I barely ate. Like, I had a couple bites of that chicken tender.
And my chips.
And then, yeah, the chips, but that's not a meal.
Yeah, the chicken
But I think
tenders didn't look great. I'm not gonna lie.
The chips is what has me, like, full right now. When I really didn't eat a full meal.
Well, the potatoes.
I didn't eat all of them.
Oh.
I only had, like, 2. Or maybe 3.
Not 4. 5. 16. 27.
But that was also, like, at noon. Or was it later?
Sorry, I'm not your sponsor. You don't have to justify.
You're making me feel like...
I'm on your team. I want you.